Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. iPhone 14 series has been launched and is becoming quite popular, especially the Pro models because of the new small pill-shaped notch. If you have decided to get it, the second most important thing is which color to choose from, as it comes in variety of colors. The new this year is deep purple, which is a unique and stunning color. Let's see in this video all the color options for 14 Pro series and find out which one is the best for you. So let's start the video, but before I start, starting with the space black color, this is slightly different than the last year graphite color and looks excellent. It's a classic color with a touch of grey on the body and deep black on the camera module. It's a beautiful contrast and I quite like it. The aluminum side also has black coating which complements the complete look. The only downside is a fingerprint magnet from the side, but overall it has a matte finish which looks quite premium. The small pill-shaped notch in the front looks better than the huge notch we had on earlier iPhones. Silver is more white and is exactly like last year's silver, but still has a simple and elegant look. The bezels on the front are also reduced slightly than the last year 13 Pro series. Gold is also exactly like the last year 13 Pro series. A very subtle champagne gold color still looks quite impressive and premium. The camera sensor is also bigger this year compared to the last year iPhone. When you keep side by side with the silver color, gold definitely stands out more, and silver looks more simple. There is no denying that the color of this year is deep purple and is hugely popular color, especially with the pre-orders. And to be honest, it's a beautiful new color by Apple. It's a dark purple color which looks awesome and unique. It really stands out among all the other colors, probably because we have seen the other colors before. So that's it for this color comparison, guys. Please let me know in the comments below which color did you like the most. You also get some variety of cases for all the color options, but if you have purchased Apple Care Plus, you can just use your iPhone without any case as they are fully protected. So that's it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. See you all soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye, peace and blessings.